Hey beautiful people, Madam Sophie here to do a review on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. Okay, I finally got my hands on it. I believe this highlighting palette has been out for approximately a month to 2 months now, and I'm finally getting my hands on it. And I just wanted to see what this hype is all about. When I did do a finger swatch of this palette in the store, I was definitely moved by it because the finger swatch looked like highlighters that I do not own. Okay, these highlighters don't look like they're regular highlighters you would get. What's really different about it is that it has these specks of glitter in it that really takes it out of the ordinary. And this is what I really liked. This is what really moved me with this palette. So this is the palette here. This is the sleeve it came in. Okay, this is what the palette looks like. In this palette, you have 6 metallic highlighting colors, and it has this really cute holographic packaging. Behind it, it says, metallic powder highlighters for intense luminosity. Complementing shades can be layered together or worn separately. Okay, this is what it basically says. And the 6 names of the palette, the 6 names of the highlighters in here, it's Unicorn, Ethereal, Sunshine, Wish, Magic, and you have Regal. Each highlighter do have a name. The name is written right underneath the highlighter. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a quick finger swatch of these palettes. Okay, I'm gonna start with Wish. Okay, so these are what the finger swatches look like. Now, finger swatches of any makeup, eyeshadow or any makeup product that you would have to apply on your skin, that is in the form of a powder, apart from foundation and other stuff that you would apply to most of your face. Finger swatches don't really do the finger swatching is different from the way the actual product would look on your face. Okay, and for that reason, I find, because I tried it once on my face, and I find that the finger swatch looked better than the way it looked on my face. However, I'm still going to go ahead and do I'm still going to go ahead and use the product on my face. If you're the type of person who's not into wearing bold colors as a highlight, I don't suggest that you purchase this highlighting or this glow kit palette, because you've seen the colors. They're pretty bold, they're pretty much out there, and if you know that that's not your kind of way to rock, then I wouldn't suggest you spend money on getting this palette. This palette runs for about, I want to say, 40 to 50 bucks, 40 to 45 bucks. So this is the price of it. But if like I said, if you're not into wearing bold colors for highlight, please don't purchase this palette. You would not be happy with your purchase. So I'm going to go on and try these. So I'm going to go ahead and try this palette. I'm going to start with the color, I'm going to start with the color Regal, and then I'm probably going to work my way into Unicorn. I really love the color Unicorn. The Unicorn in this palette is one of my favorites, so this is why I think I need to try her on. Get up close and personal. And I'm not wetting my brush, I'm just applying the highlighter. And as you can see, it's very much on the glittery side. And now I'm going to top up the Regal color with the color Unicorn. Oh, did you see that? I love the color Unicorn. Unicorn is indeed my favorite in this palette. and I'm here for it. Okay, I'm going to go on and do the very same thing on the other side of my face. Alright, so this is how it is looking. This is how it's looking. For my nose area, I think I'm going to go with I'm going to go with Wish and a mixture of Ethereal. So Wish, and then I'm going to top it up with Ethereal. So Wish, this is Wish right now. Okay, and I'm going to top that up with Ethereal. And then I'm just going to use Ethereal and just put a little on my nose. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and use the color. Okay, I'm going to use Sunshine and Magic. Okay, so I'm going to use Sunshine and Magic on my Cupid's bow area. So I'm going to start with Sunshine, and then I'm going to top it up with Magic. Okay, so this is how, after using my finger to apply the highlight on my Cupid's bow, this is how it's looking. Let me zoom out for you guys to see. Okay, so this is how the glow is looking. Okay, so this is how the glow came about. Let me just fix this part up. Okay, so my final thoughts on this palette is it's definitely buildable. You definitely have the whole fact that the palette has 6 colors of different shades and different contributions, and they're all different. There are 6 unique shades. The whole fact that you have 6 options to choose from, you also do have the option of making your own combination of highlighters. You're more than welcome to top up your highlighters and do some unique mixes with them. Like I said, if you're not into using highlighters that are very bold, this is not going to be the palette for you. However, I really liked this palette. The only disappointment I have is that the finger swatch looks very different from the way they actually apply on your face, but they're definitely unique because when I compare my regular highlighters to the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, there is definitely a huge difference. So for example, this is the Bretman and Morphe palette collaboration. I'm going to take this color right here just so that it's a fair comparison. I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Baby Go. I'm going to take this color. I'm just doing a finger swatch of it, nothing too special. So I'm taking this is a swatch of Baby Go. Alright? You see how Baby Go looks? There is no glitter dimension. And I'm going to take, just so that it's a fair comparison again, guys, I'm going to take Ethereal from the palette, and I'm going to put it right against Baby Go from the Nick Bertman Rock. Okay, so there is a huge difference. This is from the Bertman Rock, Morphe and Bretman Baby in Paradise highlighter palette, and this is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So you could definitely see the difference between these two palettes. Was it worth the buy? It definitely was worth the buy. Although I felt a little cheated going in the store, doing a finger swatch of them, and then when I put it on, they don't look the same. But I mean, that is expected with makeup. It is what it is. But at the end of the day, I was not disappointed. Another thing I must bring to your attention is when you're using this palette, you're gonna see powder everywhere. There's gonna be fallout on the palette itself. So just be mindful of that. Be mindful that you're gonna have to be blowing the powder away or wiping the powder away if you're all about making sure your palette looks neat. But indeed, you will find dust everywhere. You're gonna find pigments everywhere. So please be mindful of that when you're using this palette. Quite a few YouTubers were saying that they don't think that people of darker skin tones would be able to use this palette, but I'm dark skin tone. Do you see a problem with me using it? So I definitely recommend this Dream Glow Kit highlighting palette for those of you who are all about wearing your highlighter in all kinds of colors, in all bold colors, and don't give a care with that. So if you're all about that, this is the palette for you. I think that this palette is very versatile. I think that this palette is perfect for people of dark skin tones to very light skin tones to all kinds of skin tones. Okay, anyone of any skin tone could use the colors in this palette. This glow kit, this Dream Glow Kit highlighting palette is definitely Sophy approved. If I were to recommend it to someone, I definitely would recommend it to someone who is into rocking that bold highlight. So definitely she is Sophy approved. I like it. I believe that it was worth my investment. Okay, so this is my take on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit Highlighting Palette. Till then, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you for listening to what I have to say about the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the Dream Glow Kit. And I hope that I was able to help you guys out when it came to making a decision on whether to purchase this item or not. Okay guys, stay fabulous. Until then, bye.